सर एक म्हत्वाचो मुद्दो आतिशी जे आहा तिणें म्हणलां की गोंयांत काँग्रेस आसा काँग्रेसीचेर विश्वास करूं नाका आनी सबंद जे 40 कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी आसा थंय आप आपले कॅन्डिडेट घालतले म्हणून ह्या गजालीचेर कितें म्हणणें आहा तुमचें?
पहिले आम आदमी पार्टी आता नॅशनल पार्टी, आमचे काँग्रेस पक्ष आहा ती पासून नॅशनल पार्टी. आम्ही डिसिजन घेतात तेन्ना फॉर अलायन्स ऑर नॉट अलायन्स आमची नॅशनल पार्टी आमची हायकमांड डिसायड करतले अबाउट अलायन्स. सो आय कॅन नॉट से एनीथिंग अबाउट दीस अलायन्स. आता आतिशी आयल्या गोंया भोंवता हांवें आयकलां. ओन्ली आय एम होपिंग दॅट आतिशी इज नॉट पोचिंग on our second rung leadership of our Congress party and try to take them into the Aam Aadmi party. One side you are cutting our Congress people, another side you are trying to take our Congress people. So I think that should be something which should be kept in mind, and if this kind of games are being played, then you can understand what is happening.
सेम लायक TMC म्हणटा तुमी
Third, there is one more issue which you have to keep in mind, is that all the parties across the nation are gearing up to be united in the effort to knock off the BJP. If anybody does not wish to join the alliance to knock off the BJP, then you can understand what has to be read in between the lines. परवता म्हणटा कोंकणी भाशेन सांगता कोण काँग्रेसा पक्षा बरोबर ना ते BJPक हेल्प करूंक रेडी आसता.
त्यांनी टाइम एंड अगेन एक उतर यूज केला, हाउ टू ट्रस्ट काँग्रेस, कॅन वी ट्रस्ट काँग्रेस?
Perfect question. You look across the nation, Aam Aadmi Party people also have gone and joined BJP. It is not something which only Congress people have gone and joined BJP. There are also people from Aam Aadmi Party across the nation who have joined BJP. So can I ask the same question to her?
So
what about alliance then? Is it
Again?
existing? Alliance is existing in Goa then?
See, you can understand that we have worked together as a united opposition. You can see a good relationship, harmonious relationship between all of us in the opposition. And I don't think we need external forces to come and defeat our unity. Because if we are united, remember, united we stand and divided we fall.
who stands united and who is divided and who will fall?
That will come out as you see as the days come nearer towards the election. You will see, as you correctly asked, on the last election 2022 Zaletanna, when there was a complete wave in favor of ousting the BJP, so many parties came and joined in the soup making and destroyed the entire game. So therefore, and if you look in another place, where are they maximum concentrating? Where Congress has got a strong hold. And where did Congress lose? In the bastions where Congress otherwise held control. And how much did the Congress lose? Very narrowly. Why? Because these people took away our votes. So therefore I think that we should not get overtly excited about statements being made. Sometimes it is browbeating. Sometimes it is posturizing. And to see how much I can milk out of it. But I can assure you one thing, as the time comes closer to the election, the picture will be clear, and we will be able to put our cards down properly, because sometimes people say you should plan in advance, that is a fact which is right, but too much planning in advance can also have its own repercussions.
I can't understand one more thing is that the central leaders come here, they make statements every now and then. But at the same time, when you talk about these MLAs, whether it is Congress or AAP, सगळे एकठांय जाता, ऑपोजिशनान दिसती पडटा, प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेता, वी आर युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन म्हणटा, आनी हे येवन हिंगा म्हणटा वी नो अलायन्स. हें कितें?
सो आमचे गोंयकाराचे एक वड कोणें फोडूंक जायना. आमी गोंयकार प्रिंसिपली गोंयकार. So I think that people who come here with an intention of making a divided house will have to pay the price.
But the way Congress is functioning right now, people have doubt on that Congress because they are internally there is a two parties going on. Last time in Sakli also meetings was there.
See, I'll tell you one thing. People talk about Congress because Congress is a transparent party. There are problems which each party is facing, including the ruling party, where you would have seen previously one beating the other, breaking bottles also. And that you have forgotten about that story. But what happens there is not being spoken. Everybody focuses and question is Congress and why Congress. Why should you ask us question? Ask them. And then you will come to know the cat will be out of the bag. If you see in the assembly, one MLA cutting the other MLA. Today you have one MLA talking about tourism, drugs and things and blaming the government for it. Whom is he blaming? You don't ask them questions.
We do ask them, sir.
ओके
We do
सर
ask
आणि
them,
एक
sir.
गजाल